I am making a very quick and easy and crispy, believe it or not, eggplant Parmesan cheat sheet. About, you know, 1/4 of an inch slices of that eggplant. So we take our eggplant and right into the egg wash right here, right? So just one side, though. So I have some nice seasoned panko breadcrumbs, and we're gonna grate some fresh Parmesan on here. We take our just one side with the egg wash, right? Right into the panko and cheese mixture, right? Get a nice little boom. And then there we go. So we'll repeat with all these. Right now I have a sheet pan in a screaming hot oven. So a decent amount of oil. And now we're gonna take that beautifully breaded eggplant. So I got my favorite, just red sauce, marinara sauce, just a little bit in the middle like that. Almost like you're making a pizza. Deli sliced mozzarella. So this is going back into the oven, right? 350 here.
Oh my goodness.
Ready to go. And look at that.
What a good idea that was. A bacon cheeseburger casserole. In this pan right here, I just browned off a couple of pounds of ground beef with onion powder, garlic powder, and oregano. In this pan that I cooked the ground beef, all I did was I added a little bit more fat, some flour, some heavy cream, a little bit of milk, and then what to that, I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow mustard.
My favorite.
Right down in the bottom, half of the ravioli goes down. So this is Swiss cheese, so that goes over the top. So I'm gonna put half of my beef, some Roma tomato, just seeded and chopped, a couple of those. Put a little bit more sauce, another layer of our prepped ravioli. So more American cheese over the top, the rest of the beef, more tomatoes, and then I had some bacon that I crisped, shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack mix. 350. Now, unfrozen, this is gonna be about 30 to 35 minutes. Frozen, double the time. The bacon cheeseburger casserole. All right, so then lettuce with the red onion, you toss that with the pickle juice.
Yes.
Just add that over the top.
It really does taste like a great cheeseburger. I am making a cheddar taco shell. Now you see these beautiful rounds of golden brown cheddar that we baked in the oven for about 8 minutes at 400. You bake it till it's like pliable. And then to make it into a taco shell, you suspend a little spatula or a ruler, and then you drape it. So you want this to kind of suspend over that and let it set. And what you have at the end of that, cheddar taco shells. Look at somebody make you one. And you don't need to do cheese on there. Look at
Well,
so you
no,
put your
because
ground
it
beef-
is the cheese.
It
The
is
cheese is the tortilla.
You get a little shredded there, get a little shot of tomato, give a little kerplunka right there, and there you go.
A 10-cheese mac and cheese you can count on.
First things first, I've got an Italian blend. Then we have Mexican blend. So already
That was
we've
easy.
got 9 cheeses.
Yeah.
That's gonna be 6 cups.
Okay.
Take 2 cups out of that, and the rest of the cheese goes into the mac, and we've already boiled the elbows al dente. And then 3 scallions, white and green parts. In my pot, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter. Some flour is gonna go down. I've got some onion, to that, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, Hungarian hot paprika, and then some half and half. This is the final cheese, whipped cream cheese. All right, so you're gonna mix that in. So after a few minutes of whisking, nice and luscious sauce. So the cheese, the 9 cheese blend, and the scallions, that's gonna go into a 9 by 13 buttered casserole dish. And then just run the sauce over the top. 2 cups of that cheese blend, and then what I like to do is add those fried onions that people usually put on the top of the casserole around the holidays. The oven's at 350 degrees. It's only gonna be like 20, 25 minutes. You will have a cheese.
I am making a stuffed crust pizza. I just rolled some olive oil in there. Peel this smoked mozzarella, very important. You want to peel it because it has that little skin in the outside. Taking pizza dough, we've just rolled it out here and put it over the edge of the pan. The smoked mozzarella that has been squared off, you just roll it in here.
Cheesy.
Easy. You want to take your sauce here and just put a little bit in the center, spread it out like that. The shredded cheese on next, okay? Shredded. Here, Jeff, catch. I got beautiful Kalamata olives in there. Red onions, very fine. Salt, a little bit of pepper. We put it on an open flame about 4 or 5 minutes just to get that little crust started. Just a touch of this on the edge. In an oven, 500 degrees, 20 minutes. Pop it out. And I like to put the basil on at the end. More olive oil.
Always.
And then when it's warm, ground Parmesan. Just like that.
Oh, geez.
Oh, come on. Okay, you got it. You ready? Look at that. Voila!
Oh, shit.